Hi guys, so have you just got your Hume Band 2.0? In this video, you are going to learn how you can set it up, how you can connect it to your phone and start tracking your health in just a few minutes. So first of all, you need to start by charging your Hume Band 2.0 before using it for the very first time. So once it is ready, you just have to simply download and install the Hume Health application from the Google Play Store or App Store. Now you need to also enable the Bluetooth on your phone, then open the application for the very first time. Now when you open the application, you need to also create your account over here. So when you have done that, inside it you are going to see this type of band section. So you just have to simply select the band section here and then simply tap on the plus icon or add device option on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you just have to select your Hume Band 2.0 from the list of the available devices. Just make sure that when you are doing this, you need to keep the band close to your phone and follow the on-screen instructions until the pairing process is completed. Now, when the pairing process is completed successfully, you are going to basically need to enter your details like your age, your height, and then you need to provide the information about your weight and your activity level. So this is going to help the band generate more personalized health insights for you. So after doing this, you just have to simply put the band on your wrist, and for more accurate tracking, just make sure that it fits snugly but comfortably. Now wearing it consistently throughout the day and night will going to help you get better sleep, recovery and wellness data. So once everything is set up, you just have to head to the app's dashboard, and from here you are going to see this type of health score and all the health metrics. You will be able to track them with the help of the application very easily. So that's how you can set it up. Thank you.